Hey guys, here is a polished brass Casablanca Delta II ceiling fan. This fan is from February 13th, 1991, and it was the 37th fan made that day. I picked this up off of a listing for really cheap, and to be honest, you really can't turn down cheap Casablancas, so why not? This is my second polished brass Delta II. I have one identical to it, but the other one has walnut blades, and this one has the oak blades. This one also came with a 4 light kit by Harbor Breeze. It's going to come off right after the video. I really don't like how it looks on it, but yeah. The light kit's from 2013 if you're wondering as well. So, obviously that was added in the future. But it came with the mounting bits and everything. I just don't have it up there for the video. I got it along with 2 other Casablanca motors, and I might film the other 2 at some point. I don't know. They didn't come with blades, so this is the only one that did. But yeah, so here's the light. It's a nice light kit. It wouldn't look too bad if it was on another fan, but I just don't like how the off-market light kits look like on Casablancas, so that's that. And here's low. And funny thing, this is my first Casablanca pull chain that didn't come with the original pendant. Every other Casablanca fan that I got that's 3-speed came with the original Casablanca fob. This is the first one that never came with a fob, so just thought that was kind of interesting. Runs just like a Delta II should. Does feature an arcless pull chain, which I mainly found out when they switched over. It was in 1991, I think it was in March, because I have another Delta II motor actually that's from April of 1991, and it has the regular style pull chain that you see nowadays. But this one still has the arcless one, so I'm guessing they switched it in March of 1991. Anyway, here's medium. That noise you hear is the filament inside the light bulb. They're just rattling while the fan's running. And here's high. Typical performance. Does have a bit of a nasty wobble to it, but blades are a bit out of alignment. Can't really do much about that. The tag. I'm at it. Yep. And that one is from 1991 as well, and it has the normal pull chain. But this one's a little bit different, but anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.